Today the topic that is the biology of grass carp. It is also from belonging from the exotic carp. Already I told that the definition of exotic carp. Exotic carps means those fishes whose native is foreign country, which are introduced in India for the commercial purpose. An example that is the grass carp, silver carp and common carp. All are the exotic fishes. They are introduced in India 1958, 59 and so here for the commercial purpose. For the purpose of commercial, for the purpose of revenue. Main native is the foreign, that it is called the exotic fishes. Example grass carp, silver carp, common carp. Already we have completed the common carp and silver carp. That is the last one, that is the grass carp belonging from the exotic. The line is the sentence which is that is the grass carp, or what is meant by the carp? Toothless mouth called the carp. It means that it doesn't have the teeth in the mouth of grass carp. Okay. Then about the biological factor, with the help of this I will explain about the grass carp. External characters, food and feeding habit, maturity, spawning and fecundity, economic importance and distribution. All are the concept, all are the subtitle to explain about the biology of grass carp. Right? The name belonging to that, the grass carp, means it is fully feeds upon the grass. One type of biological control it is used for the biological control. Some country to control the biological wave, the grass carp is introduced into the water to control the grass, because the main feeding habit of grass carp, that is the grass. This is about the classification. Phylum Chordata, group Pisces, class Ostracis, order Cypriniformis, family Cyprinidae, genus Pteriopharyngiodon and species is Idilla. This is about the classification of grass carp. First of all, the first concept of the biology, that is the external character. The scientific name of grass carp is Pteriopharyngiodon idilla. I already told that the scientific name of grass carp, Pteriopharyngiodon idilla. Sometimes they ask in the MCQ purpose, the scientific name of grass carp is dash dash dash. That time you can remember that the scientific name of grass carp, that is the Pteriopharyngiodon idilla. The name says the grass, already say that is it feeds upon more and more about the grass. It's also the benefit for the controlling the grass also. Body elongated and moderate compressed, head broad and short snout, and it measure up to the 40 to 60 centimeter in length. Then one thing is that it is a column feeder, and one point is that there is the no barbels, color of the body dark grey above and silvery on the belly. Belly is nothing but the stomach part. No barbels, mouth is terminal and it is the bottom feeder. Then next about the food and feeding habit. Already I told it is most feeds upon the grass. Early fry to fingerlings feeds mainly on the zooplanktons. It is the food and feeding habits. From fingerlings to adult stage, it feeds upon the microvegetation. Means the stages will changes from primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary. That time the feeding habit of fishes will change. Means in the primary stage, in the early fry stage, up to the fingerling, it feeds upon the zooplankton. When the fish is mature up to the 800 or 900 gram, when the body is increasing, that time from fingerlings to the adult stage, it feeds upon the microvegetation. Is nothing but it is a one type of biological control fish also. Then next about the maturity. Already told in the last class about the grass carp and the silver carp and the common carp. It is the foreign country fish. In temperate region, it mature 2 to 3 years, and in all cold country where the temperature is below 18 degree, it mature 5 to 7 years due to the pituitary gland. Because the pituitary gland mature in the high temperature, in India near about 39 to 42, 43 sometime, it mature 2 to 3 years. But about the cold country, there is the 18 to 17 degrees centigrade temperature. Maturation period is long, especially about the grass carp, silver carp, common carp, 5 to 7 year age. Then the spawning. Spawning is the nothing but the breeding. Breed only aquatic environment during south to west monsoon from June to September and once in year. It is the spawning, means breeding season of the grass carp. Then next about the fecundity is very important point. So what is meant by the fecundity? Number of eggs laid by female fish. What I am saying that number of eggs laid by female fish per gram its body weight called the fecundity. Means it is depending upon the ovary of that female fish. 1 kg, 500 gram, 200 gram. But the actual ratio near about in 1 gram of grass carp is 80, 90, in between 80 to 90. Actual in species weight 4 to 6 kg, the scientist Alukini 1963 found that the total number of eggs, that is 3 lakhs 800 to 6 lakhs 18,000. He found that it is depending upon the ovary. If its ovary is large number, that the fecundity is more in the body of the grass carp. Okay, this is about the fecundity. Then the growth. The stages: fry when stocked at 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare. It grows length 22 to 27 mm in 15 days. Within the 15 days, it grow 20 to 27 mm. When stocked along with silver carp, it is the composite fish culture. The grass carp can culture with silver carp also, grass carp also, common carp also. Composite fish culture. When stocked along with silver carp, 12 centimeter in 3 months and attained 73 to 86 centimeter. This is the time period. Means 12 centimeter and in 3 months attained the 76 to 86 centimeter. When we culture, when we stock with silver carp. Then about the distribution is very important. Originally already I told from the foreign country, that is the China, lower section of river Amur in USSR. It also distributed in all over the world also. It is also found in India, Japan and Taiwan also, because the seed of grass carp is transplanted to all over world due to its high growth, due to its high valuable food fish, and one thing is that it control the biological control also. Economic important. It is widely cultured everywhere in the world for biological weed control also. Where is the weed are more, that time the grass carp is useful for the control the biological weed also. It is important carp culture widely throughout the India and have the valuable important vitamins are present and easily available and more nutritive beneficial to human being also. Thank you.